Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by gathering all necessary items. In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Corolla's oil. You'll need fresh engine oil, a new oil filter, and a drain pan. Don't forget your wrench, an oil filter wrench, and some shop rags for any spills. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and quicker. Next, position your drain pan under the oil pan. Locate the drain plug, usually a single bolt on the bottom of the oil pan. Carefully loosen and remove it, allowing the old oil to flow into the pan. Let it drain thoroughly, which typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old oil is out. Now, it's time to replace the oil filter. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn. With the new filter in place and the drain plug reinstalled, it's time to add the fresh engine oil. Use a funnel to pour the recommended amount slowly into the engine's oil fill cap. After adding, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Add more if necessary, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.